I feel like basic training is about my level.
I think that basic training is an excellent place to start. Mm-hmm.
Is there a basic training?
Basic training is the basicest of training.
Okay. All right. Hopefully it's basic enough. I need all the training I can get. So you're saying I should go to one of these little pods, this guy right here. Okay.
Yep. That guy right there, and press the space bar. And then you'll be able to see the missions that are available to you.
Look at that.
The catch is that there will actually be objectives that you have to complete in order to get there.
Here, I thought I could just run to the end. That would be the most basic of trainings. Just let me run to the end. All right, I think we're ready. Oh gosh, here we go. Okay, I'm scared, but all right. So I have to go over here, press the space bar. All right. Did I already get 100? Oh no, I have to unlock it.
That's what you will earn if you complete this objective.
All right, I was hoping I already got that because I've done a lot so far. So I mean,
very soon there will be experience points and loot. Let's do this.
Awesome. I must enter a passphrase. Show help.
So this mission is orienting you to the hacking interface because this hacking interface is what you're going to interact with for all of the objectives. So it's explaining to you the 3 tabs that you will find on literally every hacking interface, which is the overview, the objective, and the help tabs. The overview is exactly what it sounds like. It tells you what you will learn if you complete the objective and like a one-liner description of what the objective is. And then the objective tab will give you basically your checklist of what you need to do to complete that objective. And then the help tab will attempt to give you as much step-by-step instruction or links out to additional resources as you might need in order to complete it. And then on the right-hand side of the hacking interface is where you will either just press the hack button if you've written code outside of the game in order to complete it, or where you will enter additional information if you need to enter additional information and then press the hack button to complete the objective.
Okay, so my secret code is level up. Is that what I'm reading properly? All right. Does it have to be all caps?
Maybe.
Okay, here we go.
You're winning, Elizabeth. It's fine.
This is going to be painful to watch. Oh my God, I did it. I'm so happy. Oh, okay.
You got XP and you got operator boots. Would you like to view them in your inventory?
I'm pretty sure I can work for Google now. I mean, I'm just saying. I'm ready. Okay. So I have to wear them or is it automatic?
You have to. You're allowed to.
Well, heck yeah. Someone give me some boots. Get these on my little feet.
Nice.
Yes.
Nice.
I love this. This is so fun. Oh my God, this is really awesome. Like, did the TwilioQuest team wrote all this? It's amazing.
Well, we didn't write it from scratch. This is what this uses. It uses tiled, which is for like the layout of the maps, and it uses phaser, which allows us to write the game using web technology. Although it is rendered as an installable directly on your computer, so that we can like interact with your code and stuff and make sure you've got the right stuff installed. So it's definitely the TwilioQuest team has created the game, but using underlying technology that already existed, which is really awesome because it means that we've been able to make like an authoring guide available so other people can make more content for the game. And when you're like creating it and when you're like troubleshooting your content, you're using the same interface that you would use if you were like doing web development. So it like teaches the skills that you then use to create the game itself, which I find delightfully meta.
That is so meta. It's like using a 3D printer to print another 3D printer.
Yeah.
I love that. I love this so much. Okay, let's go on. Since we just busted through this little barrier, we don't even care about that. Here we go.
So the treasure chests are optional objectives. The laser barriers are required objectives.
I just ran right around it. I didn't even see it there. Okay.
Every time you see a red exclamation mark, that means that either there's something to interact with or there's a bug.
Okay, I'm scared. Okay, here we go. Okay, let's do this. Let's get some armor. Just click the hack button to receive your item.
It's just so now you understand how treasure chests work.
Got you. Well, I love that.
This is the basic training.
Yes, I'm really happy that it's so basic. But now I have armor, and I'm very happy about that. Where, head, body? Did I already have that on?
You have a t-shirt.
All right, so I can close this. I feel like, am I going to get attacked by some kind of monster because they're giving me armor. So like I feel like there's some kind of war coming. But I'm ready. I mean, don't get me wrong.
There will be problems to solve. There will not be combat.
Oh, darn. Okay. All right. I kind of like the PvP.
You were hoping for combat?
I do, actually. I like the PvP. I'm not going to lie.
I would like to combat that guy on the JavaScript level. Like that's the only person I would like to combat.
That guy has a serious attitude problem.
Yeah.
Oh, why do I have a thing on my head? What's this?
Because you can interact with the treasure chest again if you want. Just because you've completed something doesn't mean you're not allowed to interact with it anymore. So if you wanted to go back and revisit lessons, you are completely welcome to do that. Because this is basic training, but in later missions, often your objectives build on each other. So if you wanted to go back and reference resources that were in a previous mission in order to move forward with a later mission, we want to make sure that that's always available to you. So
interesting.
You can always go back.
Okay, good. I like that. All right, let's do this guy.
Ethan says combat is you versus your terminal.
That's right. I need all the armor I can get. Ooh, Greaves, yes.
Gary says combat was him versus Python.
All right, let's do this. Show code editor. Here we go. Okay. And now I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Show tutorial.
Show tutorial.
Oh, there it is. Okay. Okay, so just do this and then hit play. Oh, I have to paste. Oh, I should read. I gotta read. I don't read.
Fun fact: developers don't read, and this is one of the lessons we reiterate to people wanting to make their own content. Is be sure to make your error messages really, really like easy to read. Make sure they fail quickly, and give like step-by-step guidance as to what's missing. Because your developers are not going to read all of your useful help content. They are going to just try stuff and then hit the button and then see what happens.
Because it literally was like the line underneath. Copy this and paste it here. It's not hard. It's really not hard, Elizabeth.
But reading, that's a challenge.
That's the challenge.
Every developer I've ever met.
It's just so much work. Oh my gosh. Okay. But look at this. I got pants now. I'm very happy.
You can replace pants. And you will get more loot over time, and you can make choices as to which ones you want to equip.
I see. I see. Okay. I would have expected that to be a different color. That's just why.
So you started out with a Twilio t-shirt and blue jeans,
and
but
jeans.
Now you have gotten like operator gear that you can swap those out for if you want to.
I'm just plowing through this. Oh my gosh. So I should go over here is what you're saying? Or should I go to the right?
You should go wherever you want.
Oh, yes. Okay.
This is a choose your own adventure game.
Oh, yes. All right. Let's go see what's over here. Like this looks challenging. Oh, I do have a Twilio account. How do I get out?
End conversation or just click outside of the box. Yep.
Got you. Okay. Reading signs like this one can sometimes be handy. Yeah. Who knew? All right.
Oh, so if you go down to the bottom, I think you will find an Easter egg left over from a previous month's operation. So if you go to the green patch, a little bit to the up, if you go to the green patch, I'm pretty sure if you interact with it, you can plant a tree still.
Oh, yay. I'll go back to the very first barrier. Okay, launch the hack. Oh. It starts with the letters AFP.
Another code.
Da, da, da. Is that it? It starts with the letters AFP.
So let's go find it.
All right. Okay, let's get out of here. Go back up here. Right? Is that what it said? That's what it said.
Go to the first barrier.
Oops. Oh, no.
It's more fun to watch somebody who's never used TwilioQuest than somebody who's familiar with it. And
is this where I went?
It's all about.
Is this where I wanted to go?
No, you've gone all the way back to the spaceship instead of just back to the first barrier. But you can come right back into basic training. It's no big deal.
I failed basic training already.
You did not fail. Right there. You got it. So
Perfect.
Probably under the objective tab.
Oh.
Maybe under the help tab.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. So underneath level up. Let's keep scrolling. There it is.
So if I would have read this in the beginning, I would have already known that.
Then you would have shocked me by being a developer that reads. Yes, that would have happened. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we clearly know that's not the case. So
It's for the other one. You copy it from here and take it to the treasure chest.
Oh my God. I swear I'm not this. Yeah. Honestly.
I will reiterate, this is me not live streaming coding ever for any reason because my brain will not do it.
So I know it's dumb. It's whatever. Who cares?
This is why I do not live stream coding. I can't do it.
Yeah. Well, I got my yoga pants on, so now I'm happy. Now I'm comfy.
I also have my yoga pants on because
if I was smarter, I would have like run through all of this to begin with, but I didn't want to do that. I wanted it to be like a pure,
authentic. It's authentic, and I love it. I love it because TwilioQuest is all about breaking down barriers to access tech knowledge. And my favorite thing about it is that it's so goofy.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. This is really great.
I love it because, like, I think the biggest barrier to people learning tech skills is the intimidation factor.
Yeah,
so
totally.
If you can remove that intimidation factor, like, you open up access to this knowledge to so many more people. And honestly, everybody should have access to this knowledge because everything is tech now.
100% agree. Ooh, can I get a laser sword? Oh my gosh.
You can get a laser sword.
Okay. Click the hack button to receive a reward. Okay, I'm kind of afraid. Oh, awesome. That was easy. What's this thing up here?
No exclamation point means it's not interactable.
Okay, operator helmet. Oh, nice. All right. Protection against environmental hazards. Yes, there's going to be environmental hazards. Ooh, I'm excited. Okay, so what do I have to do here? Let's do this. Oh gosh. All right, here we go. Unscrupulous individuals do try to attempt to trick you. Yes. Because I like community, but sometimes people are jerks.
It's true.
I don't like that. Especially
on the internet where people have a much easier time to pretend to be people that they are not being.
Exactly.
So this objective is all about orienting you to the dangers of interacting with a game that asks you to execute code directly on your computer. Because while this is an incredibly useful teaching tool, in fact, we couldn't be as effective at teaching development skills without this access to people's machines. It is direct access to people's machines. And so it's really important that people understand that before they go copying and pasting code from the internet.
Yeah.
Putting it on their machines, as I'm sure you have noticed in your career.
Right? Okay. Answer the questions on the right.
True or false? Code executing on your computer is not able to make changes to your computer or access your personal information. That is false.
Copying and pasting code from the internet can be dangerous. You should ask a trusted person. But well, yeah, what if the trusted person decides to, I don't know. Nailed it. Yes. I'm done with basic training. I'm so happy.
Woot.
And I get a little helmet. Yes, let's put him on. Bam. Oh my gosh, look at that. Amazing.